This is the story of just such a person, a girl by the name of Arachne. She was a young woman of Meonia. Her family was poor and she had been born in a tiny cottage in the somewhat decrepit village of Hipepe. Hipepe was such a wretched place that the only people who visited invariably turned out to have lost their way, and those who lived in it would really have preferred not to. Hipepe didn't have a village green, it had a village moldy brown. Although it seldom rained, the main street was always full of puddles and the whole place smelled of fish. Despite this inauspicious beginning, Arachne soon became famous throughout the country on an account of her extraordinary skill at weaving. Then people did start coming to the village just to admire her work, and it wasn't only the finished product that made it worth the journey. To watch her weave, her fingers dancing over the pattern, was a pleasure in itself. There was an extraordinary elegance in the way she wound yarn. To see her draw a single soft thread out of a great ball of fluff was like watching a magician. Whether she was twirling the spindle with a single flick of her thumb or embroidering the finished material, nobody could take their eyes off her. You may think that this is all a little exaggerated, but watch any craftsman at work and you will see for yourself. A potter growing a vase between his fingers, a glass blower forming crystal bubbles over the flames, a carpenter stroking virgin wood with his chisel. There is a type of magic in craftsmanship, and Arachne had plenty of it. Bags and her